Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fajar Dewangga Alamsah, NVM 2441203 from Accounting Study Program. Here, I will explain about factory overhead cost. Next is, what is factory overhead cost? Factory overhead cost includes all production costs except raw material and direct labor. These costs cannot be directly linked to one specific product. That is why they are called indirect costs in the production process. Nah, in first is cost besides raw material. Second, cost besides direct labor. Third, indirect cost. Next, types of factory overhead. Types of factory overhead in number one is fixed overhead, number two variable overhead, and last is semi-variable overhead. Nah, factory overhead costs have different types. Fixed overhead stays the same, such as factory rent. Variable overhead change based on production and likely electricity. Semi-variable overhead is a mix of both fixed and variable costs. Next is example of overhead costs. Example of factory overhead costs include electricity for operation, water and other utilities, and machine depreciation. These costs are not directly part of the production, but they are still needed in the production process. Next is function of overhead costs. In number one is support production process. Second, maintain smooth operation. Third, help calculate total cost. Nah, factory overhead costs support the overall production process and help keep operation running smoothly. These costs are also important when calculation the total production cost of a product. Next is how to calculate overhead. To calculate overhead, first determine the total overhead cost, then choose an calculation base such as labor hour or unit production. After that, calculate the overhead rate to assign cost to each product. In first, determine total cost. Second, cost allocation base. Third, calculate overhead rate. Next is factor affecting overhead. Factory overhead costs are affected by several factors, such as the level of production, change in utility price likely electricity, and how efficiently resources are used. Pure efficiency and can increase costs. Next is how to control overhead. Companies can control overhead costs by saving energy, doing regular machine maintenance, and monitoring all expense. This action help reduce waste and improve efficiency. And last is conclusion. In conclusion, factory overhead cost is an indirect cost that play an important role in production, even though it is not directly visible in the product. It must be managed well to keep the company efficiently and profitably. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.